Alright guys, मेरा नाम है सनी चौहान, आप देख रहे हैं स्केच बिल्ड राइड एंड टुडे आई एम हियर एट Lutyens BMW Motorrad in New Delhi to show you guys one very interesting motorcycle जो कि जस्ट अभी कुछ मिनट्स पहले ही जो है BMW ने इंडिया में लॉन्च की है at a very exciting price. The motorcycle I'm talking about is this here is the BS6 G310 GS by BMW Motorrad, BMW की entry level GS motorcycle. There is the Big Daddy, and this here is the entry level into the adventure category by BMW Motorrad. So अगर आपको ये बाइक खरीदनी है, इट इज़ अवेलेबल एट अ प्राइस ऑफ 2.85 lakhs ओनली. येस, 2.85 lakhs पे जो है एक शोरूम BMW इंडिया ने ये बाइक लॉन्च की है. एंड देता हूँ आपको मैं एक क्विक लुक, एक अच्छा सा वॉक अराउंड एंड लेट मी टेल यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ओल्ड मोटरसाइकिल एंड द न्यू वन आफ्टर दिस क्विक मोन्टाज. चैनल को अगर अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लो एंड हिट दैट बेल आइकन सो दैट जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो लेके आऊँ ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन पहुँच जाए. सो एक अच्छा सा मोन्टाज देखो एंड उसके बाद लेट मी गिव यू अ क्विक वॉक अराउंड ऑफ द मोटरसाइकिल. So this here is the new BMW G310 GS by BMW Motorrad, and the most commendable thing about this motorcycle right now that I can show you is that engine, 313 cc's, and the most interesting part actually is that now it's BS6 compliant, but uske bawajood it makes the same power and the same torque, 34 PS at 28 Newton meters, and what else do you need, right? So it's BS6 compliant, it makes decent amount of power, but the most interesting thing जो मुझे इस मोटरसाइकिल में अच्छी लगी है is that now it has a ride by wire, so the throttle response is going to be much better than before, so you can be more in control of that off-road patch that you are going to slay on this motorcycle. The bigger GS does it very efficiently. This here will also do the same based on your riding skills, so please go and train yourself when you go off-road. That's something very important. Interesting thing here is that this is all LED now. This is a full LED lighting system that they have on the motorcycle. Yes, that's how it looks like. DRLs, this is the low beam, and that there is the high beam. I think personally this goes very well with the whole design language of the motorcycle. BMW makes some really beautiful headlights, and now I think this one here is on par with the bigger models and the other models. This here specifically has a rally design kit, as you can see. So complete GS package here where you get the whole rally theme going. Personally I love the color, it's matte, it looks really premium, so काफ़ी अच्छा finish है, and that does justice to that BMW badge which is there. So when you pay that amount of 2.85 lakh rupees, you're getting some brilliant finish, doing justice to that BMW badge. You're getting a decent, very BS6 compliant engine, which now, or by the way, also has a slipper clutch. So the gearbox I think is going to be much more better than before. I can't comment much without riding the motorcycle, but I can say that because it has slipper clutch and it has assist clutch, although the bike does not have a quick shifter and an auto blipper, you will be able to do much better clutchless shifts because of that slipper clutch. If you haven't seen my slipper clutch video, there'll be a video in the I button where you can go and see that how does the slipper clutch work, right? That's going to help you understand the tech behind in that gearbox there. Ride by wire, as I explained again. So most of the changes are actually inside the motorcycle. Those are more technical changes. Cosmetically, design wise, it looks the same as earlier. सिर्फ वो जो headlight है वहाँ पे, that is all LED now, which is new. But apart from that, this looks like the older motorcycle. Pricing, which was something that a lot of people were complaining that it's very highly priced, has been tackled with. It's a very spectacular price of 2.85 lakhs, and per month, if you actually look at it, 5,500 rupees is all you have to pay for this motorcycle, and you can take it home, go on those trails, tour with it. Although BMW does not market this motorcycle as a hardcore off-roader, आप इससे tour कर सकते हो because well, this still does not have spoked rims here. Alloy wheels ही जो अभी बाइक पे है, but then you can obviously go aftermarket and you can go with all those parts that are available in the market and customize, make it your own, which is what I always say, that any bike you buy, make it your own. And as BMW says, make life a ride. With this here, the BMW G310 GS, फटाफट ये वीडियो एंड करते हैं, आपको G310R भी दिखा देते हैं दैट व्हाट आर चेंजेस इन दैट मोटरसाइकिल. सो वेल, आई शैल सी यू गाइज इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, नमस्कार पीपल, राइड सेफ, ड्राइव सेफ, पार्टी सेफ. आई शैल सी यू गाइज लेटर, बाय बाय.